This is the 41st year that the Mesa program has been hosted. Some of the best athletic talent was on display at the Save Mart Center this morning. That's where the Run for the Dream Indoor Track and Field Invitational was hosted. Hundreds of junior college athletes put their skills to the test. Runners, long jumpers, and pole vaulters. One runner just finished the 400-meter dash.
That's embarrassing.
We'll have an interview with him.